อะระหะสัมมาสัมพุทโธ God bless one, the Lord, who fully attain perfect enlightenment. Savakato yena bhagavata dhammo. Good teaching which he expounded so well. Savatipanno yatsa bhagavato savaka sangho. And the blessed ones, disciples who have practiced well. Tamayang bhagavantang satamang sasanghang. To lead the Buddha, the Dhamma, and the Sangha. Ime isakare iyata arahang arotite abhipujayama. We render with offerings our rightful homage. Sadhuno bhante bhagava suchira pariniputopi. Is therefore that the blessed one, having attained liberation, Pachima Janata Nukam Parmanasa, still have compassion for later generations. Ime Zakare Dvapatapanaka Rapuye Patikanatu. May the simple offerings be accepted. Amakang Titaratang Hitaya Sudaya. For our lasting benefit and for the happiness it gives us. Arahant Samma Sambuddho Bhagava. The Lord, the perfectly enlightened and blessed one. Buddhang Bhagavantang Abhivademi. I render homage to the Buddha, the blessed one. Savakato Bhagavata Dhammo. The teachings so completely explained by him. Dhammam namassami. I bow to the Dhamma. Dvapatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho. The blessed one, disciples who have practiced well. Sanghang namami. I bow to the Sangha. ท่านธรรมยังพุทธัสสะภะคะวะโตอุปปาคณมการังกะโรมะเส Now let us pray preliminary homage to the Buddha. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Hail to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. Hail to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. Hail to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. ท่านธรรมยังบุตธาปิตุติกโรมัสเส Now let us chant in praise of the Buddha. Yasa tathagato arahang samma sambuddho. and understanding. Sukhato, they accomplish one. Lokavidu, they know all the words. Anuttara Purisa Dhammasarati, he trained perfectly those who wish to be trained. Sattva Deva Manusanam, he is the of gods and humans. Buddha Bhagava, he is awake and holy. Ya imam lokang satevakang samarakang sabramagang. In this world it is God's demons and high spirits. Satsamana brahmani prachang sadeva manusang sayam apinya satikatawa pavedesi. Intelligent and human beings, he had by deep insight revealed the truth. Yodhammang Tirse Ati Kalayanam Mati Kalayanam Pariyosana Kalayanam. He had pointed out the Dhamma, beautiful in the beginning, beautiful in the middle, beautiful in the end. Satang sapayang jalan kevala paripunang parisutang brahmacaryang patasesi. He has explained the spiritual life of complete purity, innocence and conscience. Tamahang bhagavantang abhipushaya vikamahang bhagavantang sirasa namami. I shall my prayer to the Blessed One. I bow my head to the Blessed One. พันธมยังธรรมาปิตุติกโรมัจเส
Now let us shine in praise of the Dhamma.
ยะโสสวะ
Bhagavato Bhagavata Dhammo.
The Dhamma is expounded by the Blessed One. Sanditiko, apparently and now. Akaliko, timeless. Ehipasiko, encouraging investigation. Aupanayiko, blending in verse. Pachatang veditapo vinyuhi, to be experienced individually by the wise. Dhammang dhammang abhipushaya vikamahang dhammang sirasa namami. I shall my prayer to this teaching. I bow my head to this truth. พันธมยังสังฆาปิตุติกโรมัสเส
Now let us shine in praise of the Sangha.
ยะโสสุปฏิ
Tipanno Bhagavato Savaka Sangho. There are the Blessed One's disciples who have practiced well. Ojupatipanno Bhagavato Savaka Sangho, who have practiced directly.
disciple, Avunayo, Sasana worthy of gifts, Bavunayo, worthy of hospitality, Takinayo, worthy of offerings, Anjalikaraniyo, worthy of respect, Anuttarang Punyaketan Lokasa, they give occasion for incomparable and goodness to arise in the world. Tamahang Sangham Apipochaya Mikamahang Sangham Sirasa Namami. I chant my praise to the Sangha. I bow my head to the Sangha. Andamayang Ratanataya Panamakatayo Jewa Sangveka Parikitana Patancha Panamase. Now let's chant our salutation to the triple name and the first of the origin. Puttha Naratha Karuna Mahanawar. The Buddha absolutely pure with ocean-like compassion. Yajana Sulaparaya Nalojano, possessing the clear sight of wisdom. Lokasapahu Vakile Sakatako, destroyer of all self-corruption. Wandari Buddha Arenatan, devotedly invented Buddha I revere. Amopadipo Viyatasasaduno, the teaching of the Lord like a lamp. Yamakapaka Vinako, illuminating the path and its foot and deathless. La Puttaro Yotyatatata Hirano, that which is beyond the conditioned world. Vandamidhamma Harenatan, devotedly intended Dhamma I revere. Sangha-suketa Payatiketa Sanjito, the Sangha, the most trusted craft for cultivation. Yodita Santo Sukhata Nupotako, those who have realized peace awaken after they accomplish one. Lolapahino Ariyo Sumeda Son, noble and wise and longing abandoned. Vandami Sampana Renatan, devotedly intended Sangha I revere. Esiva Mekanta Pipo Chanayagan, this salutation should be made. Vatutayang Vantayata Misakatan, to that which is worthy. Punyang Mayayang Mavasabhupatawa, through the power of such good action. Ma'untu Vetasapapavasitiya, may all obstacles disappear. Itatatakato loke upanno araham samma sambuddho. One who nothing has come into this world, and he is an arahant, a perfectly awakened being. Dhammo yate niyaniko, upasamiko, parinippaniko, sambuddhatami suratabhavedito, purifying the way leading out of delusion, calming and directing to perfect peace, and leading to enlightenment. Jati Pitukkha, birth is dukkha, Chara Pitukkha, aging is dukkha, Maranam Pitukkha, and death is dukkha. Sota Pariteva dukkha Tumanatsupaya Sapitukkha. Sorrow, lamentation, pain, grief, and despair are dukkha. Abhiyehi sampayogo dukkha. Association with the desire is dukkha. Priyehi vipayogo dukkha. Separation from the light is dukkha. Iyam vichanalapatitam pitukkha. Not attending one's wishes is dukkha. Sankitena vantyupadana kanta dukkha. In breath the five focuses of grasping maya dukkha. Sayatidam. These are as follows. Rupupadana kanto. Identification with the body. Vedanupadana kanto. Identification with feelings. Sanyupadana kanto. Identification with perception. Sankarupadana kanto. Identification with mental formations. Vinyanupadana kanto. Identification with consciousness. Ye samparinyaya. For the complete understanding of this. Paramahomsopakawa. The Blessed One in his lifetime. Evam bahulang savake videti. Frequently instructed his disciples as his way. Evam patacha panasa bhagavato savakesu anusasani ahura bhavatati. In addition, he further instructed Rupang Anitya
aspire to complete freedom from suffering. จิระปรินิพพุตังปิตังภะคะวันตังอุทิสสะอรหันตังสัมมาสัมพุทธัง Remember the senseless one, the Lord Allah and perfectly enlightened one. O long ago ancient Parinibbana, Sattha Akharasava Anakariya Papachita. We have come forfeited from home to homelessness. Tasaming Bhagavati Brahmachariyam Dharama. And like the precious one, we practice the holy life. Bhikkhunam Sikha Sativa Samapanna. Being fully equipped with the Bhikkhu system of training. Tanno Brahmachariyam Imassa Kevalasa Dukha Kantasa Antakiriyaya Samvattatu. May this holy life lead us to the end of this wilderness of suffering. อันธรรมยังภวัตติงสักการะปะทังพนามาเสอายังโคเมกายโยบุตถังปะทะระอะโหเกสามัตตะกาตัจจปริยันโตปุโรนานัปปะการัสสะสุจิโน This with is my body from the soles of the feet up and down from the crown of the head is a symbol of sin filled with unaccepted things. Atimasaminkaye, in this body there are Kesa, hair of the head, Loma, hair of the body, Nakha, nails, Tanta, teeth, Tatu, skin, Masam, flesh, Naharu, sinews, Ati, bones, Ati Binjam, bone marrow, Vakam, kidneys, Atayam, heart, Yakanam, liver, Ilomakam, membranes, Piyakam, spleen, Papasam, lungs, Antam, bowels, Antapunam, entrails, Uttariyam, undigested food, Kalisam, excrement, Pitam, bile, Semham, flame, Ubro, plus, Lohitam, blood, Sedu, sweat, Medu, fat, Asu, tears, Rasa, grease, Elu, Situ, Sinkanika, mucus, Lasika, oil of the joints, Lordang, urine, Vatake, Vatalungandi, brain, Ewang ayam mekayo, Uttam paratara ahuke samattaka tajapariyanto puro nanapaka sasudiro. This benefit is my body from the soles of the feet up and down from the crown of the head is a symbol of skin filled with unattractive things. อันธรรมยังตังคณิกาปัจจเวกนาปรังพนามาเสปฏิสั สังฆายุนิโสทิวรังปฏิเสวามิยาวะเทวสิตัสสะปฏิปทายะอุณนัสสะปฏิปทายะกันสัมมากัสสะวะตาตาปัสสิริงสัพพะสัมปัสสะนังปฏิปทายะยาวะเทวะหิริโกภินาปฏิชาตนาทัง wisely reflecting I use the rope only toward of gold, toward of heat, toward of touch of fire, mosquitoes, wind, burning and creeping things, only for the sake of modesty. ปฏิสังขายโยนิโสบินดาปาตังปฏิเสวามิเนวะตวายานัมมัตรายานัมมัตรนายานาวิปุสนายายาวะเทวะอิมัสสกายะสัพพิติยายาปนายาวิหิงสุปารติยาพรหมจาริยานุขายาเอติปุรานัญจเวทานังปฏิหังคามินาวันจเวทานังนาอุปาเทสามิยาตมัจจเมภวิสติยานวัจจตาจะภาสุวิหารุจติ wisely reflecting I use food not for fun not for pleasure not for fattening, not for beautification, only for the maintenance and nourishment of its body, for keeping it healthy, for helping with the holy life, thinking thus, I will allay hunger without overeating, so that I may continue to live blamelessly and at ease. ปฏิสังขายโยนิโสเสนาสนังปฏิเสวามิยาวะเทวะสิตัสสะปฏิปทายะอุณนัสสะปฏิปทายะดังสัมมากัสสะวะตาสัพพะสิริงสัพพะสัมปัสสะนังปฏิปทายะยาวะเทวะอุตุปาริสยวิโนทานังปฏิสันลานารัมมัทธัง wisely reflecting I use the lodging only toward of gold, toward of heat, toward of pleasures of flies, mosquitoes, wind, burning and creeping things, only to remove the danger from weather and for living in seclusion. ปฏิสังขายโยนิโสทิลานะปัจจยเมสัจจปริฆารังปฏิเสวามิยาวะเทวะอุปันนานังเวยาปริกานังเวทานานังปฏิฆาตายะอาภัยปัจจปรมัตรายาติ wisely reflecting I use up both for the sick and medicinal purposes only to ward off painful feelings that have arisen for the maximum freedom from disease. อาเสวนาจะภารานัง avoiding those of foolish ways ปันติตานังจะเสวนา association with the wise ปูชาจะปูชนียานัง and honoring those worthy of honor เอตัมมังคารมุตตมัง These are the highest blessings ปฏิรูปฏิสวาสุจา living impression of suitable kinds. Pupe Jakata Punyata, with the fruits of past good deeds, Atta Samma Pranitija, and guided by the rightful way, Etamang Kalamuttamang. These are the highest blessings. Swamusatjanja Sibbanja, accomplished in learning and craftsman's skills. Vinayo Jasusikitu, with discipline highly trained. Supasita Jaya Vaja, and speech that is true and precious to hear. Etamang Kalamuttamang, these are the highest blessings. Mata Pitu Upattanam, providing for mother and father support. Uttathagassa Sanghaho, and cherishing family. Anagula Jagamanta, and ways upward that harm no being. Etamang Kalamuttamang, these are the highest blessings. Ananja Dhammacariyaja, generosity and righteous life. Yatakananja Sanghaho, offering help to relatives and kin. Anavakshani Kammani, and acting in ways that leave no blame. Etamang Kalamuttamang, these are the highest blessings. Arati Virati Bhava, steadfast in restraint and shunning evil ways. Machapana Jasanyamo, avoiding intoxicants that dull the mind. Apamato Jadhammesu, and heedfulness in all things that arise. Etamang Kalamuttamang, there are the highest blessings. Valapuja Nivatoja, respectfulness and of humble ways. Santuti Jakatang Yuga, contentment and gratitude. Kalena Dhammasavanam, and hearing the Dhamma frequently taught. Etamang Kalamuttamang, these are the highest blessings. Kanti Jaso Vajasata, patient and willingness to accept one's flaws. Samanananja Hassanam, seeing when directed seekers of the truth. Kalena Dhammasakacha, and sharing often the words of Dhamma. Etamang Kalamuttamang, these are the highest blessings. Tapoja Brahmachariyamja, ardent committed to the holy life. Ariya Satya Tatsanam, seeing for oneself the noble truths. Nirvana Satchikiriyaja, and the realization of Nibbana. Etamang Kalamuttamang, these are the highest blessings. Buddhassa Lokasammehi, although involved in worldly tasks. Citang Yasanaka highest blessings. Etapisanikantavana. They who live by following this path. Sappatthama parachita. No victory wherever they go. Sappatha sukhiṃ gachanti. And every place for them is safe. Tante sammam kalamottamanti. These are the highest blessings. อันธรรมยังสัพพปฏิภาณคาทายุพนามาเส Now this has recite the verses on the sharing of merit. Punya siddhani kata satyaranyani kata nive. May whatever living beings without measure, without end, they sanjapakino hontu satananda pamanaka. Partake upon the merit from the good deeds I have done. Ye piya gunavanta jammayham mata pita taye. Those love and full of goodness, my mother and father dear. Itame japayati tavan ye machata verino. Being seen by me and those unseen, those neutral and others. Sattati tanti lokasaming te pummajatu yonika. Being established in the world from the cliff race and progress of earth. Ante gacatu okara sansaranta bhava bhave. With far aggregates of one of all wandering on from realm to realm. Yatam ye patitanam me anumodhantu te sayam. Those who know my act of dedication, may they all rejoice indeed. Ye jimam napachananti teva te sannivedayu. And as for those yet unaware, may the devas let them know. Maya tinana punyanam anumodhana etuna. By rejoicing in my sharing, Sabbe satta sattha ontu avera sukha jivito. May all beings always live at peace in freedom from hostility. Kema patanca papuntu te sasa sijatang supha. May their good wishes be fulfilled, and may they all live safely. อันธรรมยังเมตตาภารนังกโรมาเส Now let us shine the reflections on universal well-being. Aham sukhitu vi. May I abide in well-being. Nidukho mi. In freedom from affliction. Averu mi. In freedom from hostility. Apaya pacho mi. In freedom from ill will. Adiko me. In freedom from anxiety. Sukhi attanam pariharami. And may I maintain well-being in myself. Sabbe satta sukhita hontu. May everyone abide in well-being. Sabbe satta avera hontu. In freedom from hostility. Sabbe satta apaya pacha hontu. In freedom from ill will. Sabbe satta nika hontu. Parantu, and may they maintain well-being in themselves. Sabbhe satta sappha dukkha pamuccantu. May all beings be released from all suffering. Sabbhe satta latha sampatito ma vikaccantu. And may they not be parted from the good fortune they have attained. Sabbhe satta kamma sakka kamma trayatha kamma yoni kamma vantu kamma patisarana. All beings are the owners of their actions, heir to their actions, born of their actions, related through their actions, and dependent on their actions. Yang kammang karisanti kanlayanam va papakam va tasatayatha pavisanti. On actions with intention, be it skillful or harmful, or such as there will be their heirs. Sabbhe satta sattha hontu. May all beings live happily. Avela sukha chivino. Always free from animosity. Katang punya paramaya. May all share in the blessings. Sabbhe bhakti bhavantu te. Singing from the good I have done. Hotu sabbhang sumangkalang. May there be every good blessing. Rakhantu sabbha devata. May all the devas protect you. Sabbha buddhanubhavena. Through the power upon the Buddhas. Soti hontu nirantarang. May you forever be well. Hotu sabbhang sumangkalang. May there be every good blessing. Rakhantu sabbha devata. May all the devas protect you. Sabbha dhammanubhavena. Through the power of all the Dhamma. Soti hontu nirantarang. May you forever be well. Hotu sabbhang sumangkalang. May there be every good blessing. Rakhantu sabbha devata. May all the devas protect you. Sabbha sankhanubhavena. Through the power of all the sanghas. Sukhi hontu nirantarang. May you forever be well. Arahang Samma Sambuddho Bhagava. Buddhaṃ Bhagavaṃ Abhivademi. Sawakhato Bhagavata Dhammo. Dhammam Namassami. Supatipanno Bhagavato